Guys, it's not clickbait, it is true. A mate has actually crashed the C63. He's so what happens here? I'm not even too sure myself. All I know is he's gone out in the snow or something and lost control.
So Archie drove the car once the day that we done the recording on the C63, which was I think 2 videos back. So we done the recording on there, and I gave him a call to say the car's ready. I mean, you could pick it up. And what he normally does is he drives it around for about 1,000 miles. Then once the car's all good, we know mechanically it's signed, there's nothing wrong with it. That's when we actually sell the car. We don't actually get the time to do that. So anyway, the day we done the recording, I dropped it off to him and I said to him, it's a rear wheel drive, 630 brake horsepower. Just be careful. It's not the best in the snow, because it was snowing that time and the roads are really icy. I did tell him that. So anyway, 3-4 days later, he hit the back end. Well, he slid out on the rear, the tyre come off, and hit into some railings, as you can see right here, guys. He's chewed up the bumper, and yeah, he told me he's actually hit the car. So
yeah, so what's happened is I've basically messaged my mate to say, you know, send me a picture of the C63 because I need it for the thumbnail of a video. And he just told me, I'll do in a couple hours time, and then he just ignored me, he didn't text back. And then later on, Z called me to say that he's actually crashed the car, that's why he didn't send you a picture. So yeah, guys, he's actually hit the car. It's not like crazy damage. I mean, the chassis itself is perfectly fine. It's just the front end parts that have taken quite a hit, especially along this right side of the car.
You can see it's hit something right here as well. Like, it must hit the railing, the bar on the railing right here. Where it's just hit the bonnet. I mean, the wing's been pushed out from this side right here. The headlights are completely broken. Luckily enough, this side's alright. It's this area right here. The side grad's actually all broken as well. That's in the boot. I've just taken it off because I didn't want to you know, keep it on there, because this arch liner was hitting against it when you cut the wheel to the left or the right. So that's all been tight clipped up to stop that from getting damaged. Apart from that, I mean, yeah, that's where we are at the moment.
So this car was repaired, and then less than a week later, guys, it's back you know, in the body shop again. We're not going to actually do the repairs to this car, but one of our good friends who does a really good job on these cars, he will be doing the repair for us. So yeah, guys, because we are obviously working on the E92, so we can't really waste time, you know, working on this car again. So we're gonna get one of our mates to fix it for us, and he does do a good job, just as good a job as Z. So hopefully we can get this fixed in no time. So right now we're just sourcing parts. As you guys know, these parts are really expensive. I'm pretty sure this bumper alone was like close enough to £1,000, guys. That's how expensive these parts are. They're not cheap. So yeah. So right now it's just a matter of sourcing parts. You know, getting this car repaired as soon as. And,
I mean, a lot of the parts that we need, I mean, apart from the bumper, I mean, a lot of the parts like the headlights we already placed an order on, and the bumper. Apart from that, the rest of the parts from dealers, like that side rod right there, you can't find it apart from the dealers. All the little plastics and this padding right here, they're all dealer parts. So yeah, it is what it is. These things do happen, guys. So as long as he's alright, I mean, the car could get fixed.
Yeah, definitely, guys. So hopefully this car will be repaired in no time once we got all the parts. It's just one of those things, if you do take someone's car, just be, you know, extra careful. You know, don't go too crazy, especially when you don't own the car, guys, because you could end up with a massive bill. I mean, like I mentioned before, guys, these parts are not cheap. It is a C63, but majority of the parts actually came from the dealerships. That rear wheel where the tyre actually came off, there's a chance it might be buckled, so we'll have to get that double checked just to make sure it's not buckled.
Just right around here.
It has got a little bit of curbing along the outer rim just there. So hopefully it should be alright.
I mean, if you come around the back, you can see here's the radiator. It's completely damaged. So you can see it's all bent up and it's all damaged right around here. So
yeah, that's
going to be replaced. All these plastics that we bought from the dealership, we need to get them as well. This plastic right here as well for the
loads of bits and bobs
cooler right there. That metal bracket for the side cooling rod, that's all damaged as well. As well as that, guys, you can see right here, the headlight is completely damaged from that rear end.
So yeah, guys, that is the update on the C63. So what we're going to do is just take it to the body shop for repairs, and we're just going to carry on working on the E92. So once this car's fully repaired, we will probably do another video on it. We'll give you guys an update on, you know, Instagram, so follow us there if you don't. So yeah, guys, we'll put this car away and head back into the body shop and carry on with the E92.